Hi, I'm Kavisha Mahendran from Lyceum International School, Wattala. So it was my childhood dream to become a doctor. So when I was a kid, I loved biology classes. And over time, I developed a field where I realized that medicine is not just a profession, but it's a sense of responsibility as well. As soon as I got my results, I didn't want to give up my dream of becoming a doctor. But at the same time, I was so confused, like which university should I choose, which country, whether this country is safe or not, whether the university is recognized or not. So there were so many doubts that I had. So that was the point when I came to know about IMC. So I heard about IMC from one of my friends, and then I did a thorough research by going through their social media accounts, and then I went through their websites as well, and that's when I came to know those websites as well as the social media accounts reflected how experts they were. And then we had a counseling session with Miss Mandarika. Me and my parents had a counseling session with her, and she clearly and patiently explained the documentation process, from the university options to the documentation process, like the entire process very clearly from the top to bottom. So thank you, Mandy, for that. And then I applied for Vitebsk State Medical University because it is one of the leading university in Belarus, and IMC is the legal representative of Vitebsk State Medical University. And then there were many preparatory classes which was conducted by IMC. So there was biology lectures which was conducted by Miss Dulani, and then chemistry lectures were conducted by Miss Kaushalya, and then they both were like training us for the Viva program, and then they boost, and also they put in lot of time and effort to like boost our confidence. And apart from that, English lectures was also done. So it was done by Sir Avon to boost our confidence to speak in Viva as well. And then especially I need to mention about Dr. Vidhi, who was conducting one of our preparatory classes, and honestly she was like so amazing. And what I appreciate most is that she cared about our like well-being apart from the studies, and I'm so grateful for her because she put in lot of efforts as well as time despite her busy schedule. So thank you so much, Dr. Vidhi, for your wonderful support. And then what was even more assuring for my parents and me was their office support. So office, they have their office set up both in Sri Lanka as well as Belarus, so that there was a clean, organized and a secured way of the visa documentation as well as the other processes as well. And also and their team, the entire members were very supportive and approachable. So yes, without hesitation, I would definitely recommend IMC to anyone who is seeking advices or who is seeking help for studying medicine abroad, because they just don't send students abroad, but they prepare the students mentally, physically and practically so that we can face the medical journey over there. So that support and the trust meant everything to me and my parents. Thank you.